He is a self-taught developer and entrepreneur who designed, programmed, shipped, and ran over 40 startups. He did it all by himself while living the digital nomad life in over 40 countries and over 150 cities, programming on a laptop while chilling on a couch. You have to be skeptical taking advice from the internet in general, because a lot of the advice is just like a good baseline for the general population and have just a little bit of a following, enough to like for the cool thing to be noticed, and then it becomes viral if it's cool enough.
You don't need a lot of followers anymore, because on X and a lot of platforms, because TikTok, X, I think Instagram Reels also, they have the same algorithm now. It's not about followers anymore. It's about, they test your content on a small subset, like 300 people. If they like it, it gets tested to 1,000 people, and on and on. So if the thing is good, it will rise anyway. It doesn't matter if you have 500,000 followers or 1,000 followers or 100. I think you need to join Twitter, X. X is amazing now, and the whole AI industry is on X, and they're all like anime avatars. So it's funny because my friends ask me this, like, who should I follow to stay up to date? And I say, go to X and follow all the AI anime models that this person is following or follows. And I send them some URL, and they all start laughing, like, what is this? But they're real, like, people hacking around in AI. They get hired by big companies, and they're on X, and most of them are anonymous. So yeah, definitely X.